Introducing the manual fork and platform stacker by Verdex, your versatile and robust solution for material handling tasks in warehouses, workshops, and industrial settings. When installing this unit, it is recommended that the slideway handrail assembly be laying down and have the bottom side elevated and propped up with some blocks for when you attach the chassis assembly. Carefully slide the fork platform assembly from the bottom of the handrail assembly, making sure the 4 guide rollers are moving freely on the inside of the frame. Now line up the chassis assembly to the 4 holes on the bottom side of the slideway handrail, whilst making sure the positioning hole on the bottom of the black cylinder pump plate lines up with the locating pin on the chassis assembly. Reorientate the chain cover and roller chain that was rotated for transportation, and feed the front of the chain's bolt through the fork platform assembly and tighten both nuts. Next, secure and tighten the included bolts, lock nuts and washers to connect the slideway handrail and chassis assembly. You can now stand the unit upright to secure the other end of the chain to the slideway handrail connecting plate. Once all the fasteners have been adjusted and tightened, you can now operate the unit as intended.
Verdex, equipping workplaces.